Meaning of frizz.
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 Frizz. Frizz refers to a type of hair texture that is characterized by individual strands of hair standing out from the scalp in a tangled, curly or wavy pattern. This type of hair can be caused by various factors such as humidity, genetics, chemical treatments or damage. Frizzy hair can appear voluminous and textured, but it can also be difficult to manage and style. People with frizzy hair often use specialized products, such as smoothing serums or hair oils, to help tame the frizz and create a more polished look.